channel. I'm Jen from Flip Family and I've got another simple recipe and I'm using leftover rice. I'm going to make garlic fried rice. But before we get started with the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you get notifications of all the videos we upload every week. Alright, let's get on with the recipe. So in Tagalog, which is the Filipino language, they call garlic fried rice Sinigang. And when I first saw it in a lot of mainstream publications like Bon Appetit, New York Times Cooking, and I read it as Sinigang, and I'm like, why are they using Sinigang for fried rice? Sinigang is a tamarind-based soup. I'm like, this is so wrong, and I was actually offended that they were using this in mainstream publications. But then I read into it and I didn't know about it. Siningag is garlic fried rice in the Filipino language. So that was something new I learned. So now I'm all about garlic fried rice. So before I show you how to cook it, I would like to say that you need to keep garlic fried rice. Fried garlic in your fridge. I actually make this ahead of time, and all you need is oil and minced fresh garlic sauteed in a pan until it gets into that fried garlic consistency where it's not burned, but it looks burned, but it's not. It's fried. So I keep a big jar. This was actually full at one point. We use this in a lot of our cooking and I love it. So you're gonna need fried garlic and then garlic powder you will also need for garlic fried rice. So that's my two specialties. So I prefer that you use leftover rice, not fresh rice from the rice cooker, because leftover rice is hard. If you use fresh rice, it's still warm and not soggy, but like that fresh texture. As much as I love the smell of fresh rice that comes out of the rice cooker, for fried rice you want leftover rice. So you will need leftover rice, as you can see, a little bit of oil, and you're gonna saute that first in a pan. I use a wok so it's easier to mix everything. So once everything has been mixed in the oil, now you're gonna take your fried garlic mixture and add it to your rice, and then you're gonna add the garlic powder. So I like to use garlic powder because it gives it more of that garlic flavor. I mean, you cannot have too much garlic in garlic fried rice. It just, so good. So you're gonna mix all of that together, combine everything. If you wanna add more rice, go ahead, give it a taste, and see what else does it need. Does it need more garlic? It probably does. But that's how you make garlic fried rice. Easy, right? This is my easy garlic fried rice that anyone can make. No professional skills needed. So what I typically use garlic fried rice is a Filipino breakfast called silog, and that will be our upcoming video coming up. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get notified of that video. Comment below. I'd love to know what you like to eat rice with, because we love to eat rice here, and I'd love to know what you guys like to eat with rice. So if you want to learn more about Filipino cooking and some simple recipes, sign up for our newsletter. We have some upcoming news coming up, and I'd love for you to be the first to know. I'll keep the link down below. All right, everybody, catch you in the next video.